I'm going to show you 2 quick ways how to unblock your toilet with what you've already got in your home. There's plenty of videos on the internet on how to unblock toilets, but I've never seen anybody that uses my method. I've unblocked hundreds of toilets, and these 2 methods have never failed me. So this will just involve an ordinary household mop and bucket, and the first method will just be using the mop. Okay, so the first method with the mop. Okay, so first of all, you'll take your mop and you will twist it to compress the mop. Then you'll push it down into that hole, and if your water level is low enough, like it is now, you can flush that toilet using the mop as a plug, and then start to use it as a plunger. So you start doing this, pushing and pulling, and eventually let go, and that'll just drop all that water into the toilet, flushing out the blockage. And the second method, as you can see, I've blocked my toilet. So we're going to use the bucket here, fill it with water, and the idea is the weight of the water will just push that blockage right through. So when it's nice and full, take it over to the toilet and try and chuck it right in that hole there and just blow that blockage out. So if you've tried both those options and you still can't clear the blockage, you probably got a problem further down the line in your waste pipe, in which case you're going to have to come at it from a different angle. So you've probably seen one of these before. It's like a service hatch or a manhole, whatever you want to call it. And to give you some context, that is the toilet behind this wall. Right, so here is my waste pipe here for my toilet, and then below that is my grey water. This direction here, this goes to my neighbor, and this goes to my other neighbor. So this is almost like the direction of our street between the houses. If this is clear, then your blockage for your toilet is somewhere between here and your actual toilet inside. So the pipe that's running from the toilet to here could have a blockage in it. So what I would do then is I'd rod it from this end. And if this actual manhole is blocked, well, you can either call a company to come and sort it out, or you can probably contact the council, because somewhere between your neighbors you've got a blockage. So if you've enjoyed this free video tutorial, please like and subscribe, and be sure to watch my next video when I'll be showing you how to use your drill, the functions, what drill bits to use, and plugs for drilling into different types of walls. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.